how to make specific contacts can't add you to groups on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific contacts can't add you to groups on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find this one, account. Click on it and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find groups and click on it. And now all you need to do is just click this one and select them. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.